Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another Tumbler tutorial. In today's video, we are going to be making a really cute spring pastel opal tumbler. We're going to use a gorgeous sheet of opal vinyl from BAMF Custom Creations and use it to make a really simple but beautiful spring tumbler design. As usual, I'll have a full supply list down below in the description box. I'll also have links to all of my social media pages, my Facebook group, and exclusive mentorship group if you'd like to check any of those out. And of course, I'll have some discount codes down there for you as well. If you enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I upload brand new Tumbler tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday, and you don't want to miss them. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go! Here is the sheet of vinyl we're going to use. This is from BAMF Custom Creations. It's a Paint Between Dreams print, and it's printed on this really beautiful opal vinyl. It's so pretty. So we are going to wrap this around the bottom half of our tumbler. I'm using a 20-ounce skinny straight powder coated white tumbler from Craft Haven. So this is basically already ready to go. You want to give it a really super light sanding just to scuff it up a little bit before you apply any vinyl or glitter or anything, but you don't need to really like fully prep it like you would a stainless steel tumbler. So I'm just going to kind of measure out a little bit where I want the vinyl to end on our tumbler, or how big I want the vinyl section to be, and then I just trim that down. This is a transparent opal print, so it'll look a little bit different on different colored bases. So if you put this on like a black tumbler base, it would probably look entirely different. That's one of the things I really love about these opal things, vinyl or glitter. So I'm going to wrap this around my tumbler, the bottom half like I said, and secure one end of the vinyl down with a piece of tape, wrap it around to make sure that everything is lined up and straight, and then I'm going to just push the vinyl onto the tumbler using my felt edged squeegee. You can use your fingers, you can use whatever tool you want to push the vinyl onto the tumbler. My favorite way is to use the felt edge squeegee. I find that you have way less bubbles, way less crinkling or any issues with your vinyl just in general. So once I've pushed all the vinyl onto the tumbler and we're back to where that original end was, I'm going to cut off all of the excess. When I cut my seams, I usually try to cut around the pattern a little bit to disguise the seam. This pattern is really busy, so I just cut kind of a little bit of a wavy line to make it blend a little bit, but it's not completely camouflage. Like if you look for the seam, you can find it, but it's also not so apparent that it just immediately draws your attention. I masked off the entire vinyl section of the tumbler so that we can spray paint the top half of our cup. I'm going to do a vertical ombre with these pastel paints. The blue that I'm using here is different from the blue I ended up using. I'll have all of the paint names listed down below in the description box. But as you can see there, I just painted a very slight fade, and the glitter we're going to use is going to pick up all of those different colors from underneath and give us a really pretty dynamic base. The bottom of the tumbler I just painted with pink. You can leave it white, you can paint it whatever color you want, it doesn't matter. So the glitter we're using is Silk. This is a like opal iridescent glitter, and it's gonna pick up any color base that you put underneath it. It's a really great kind of cheat glitter, and it looks really cool on a black base, just saying. So I'm going to use the Crystalac glitter glue to apply my glitter. And I'm just going to make sure that I have really good solid coverage on the top half and the very bottom of our cup. I'm going to tap off any excess with my scissors and then immediately remove all of the painter's tape on my tumbler. I don't want the glitter glue and the glitter to dry over that tape, because if you wait for it to dry and then you go to peel it up, you risk peeling up some of the glitter in the areas that you actually want it to be in. So I recommend peeling your tape right away, and then I'm going to let my cup sit for about 2 hours to fully dry. And now I'm going in and sealing those glitter sections with a 50-50 mix of the Crystalac glitter glue and just plain old tap water. I mix those together, and you can see here I'm just applying it with a brush. I am avoiding the opal vinyl section because I don't want any of this glitter to move into the opal section. So I'm going to seal that once this is totally dry with a thin coat of polyacrylic. So I let the glitter sealant dry for 2 hours, added a very thin coat of polyacrylic just to the vinyl section, let that dry about 30 minutes, and then I added 2 coats of the Flynn Sisters Supply Shop epoxy. Each coat was about 20 milliliters, and now I'm ready to add my vinyl striping. I'm using this gold chrome vinyl. This is from Teckwrap Craft, and I cut these stripes out. I think these are like 0.15 inches wide, if I remember correctly, and I'm going to place those at the top and the bottom edges of our pattern vinyl. We're going to use that same gold chrome vinyl for the offset for our decal. The decal we're using today says be strong and courageous. I just thought it fit well with the butterfly theme. I don't know, I think of butterflies as like strong insects for some reason. I don't know. That's just kind of what they remind me of. This SVG is by Beck McCormick. I got it from Creative Fabrica, and I will have it linked down below in the description box. So I'm just going to place the offset down first in that top section of our tumbler. I think I made the decal 3.5 inches wide. And like I said, this is a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. So once I've got the gold offset on, I'm going to go in with this teal vinyl. I had initially done a light pink vinyl on top, and it just didn't pop the way I wanted to, so I took it off and then I cut the regular decal, the top layer, out of this Tiffany Blue Ultra Glitter vinyl. This is from Craft Haven, and I'm just going to weed it very carefully, and then we're going to place each word individually by hand because that's just what's easier for me. If you want to apply the whole decal in one piece, absolutely be my guest, go for it, and I applaud your bravery. I decided I wanted to add a little bit more of this teal color into the tumbler design, so I cut some really thin stripes out of a Tiffany Blue vinyl. This is not glitter vinyl, it's just regular Oracal 651, but it is matched color-wise to the glitter vinyl that we used in the decal. I'm going to place these right in the middle of the gold stripes that we've already placed down. I believe I cut these at 0.07, 0.08 maybe, very thin. But I just wanted to add a little bit more of this aqua color to the design. So once I had the vinyl striping on, I sealed all of my vinyl with a coat of polyacrylic, and then I went in with my final 2 coats of epoxy. So that's it for this tutorial. Very simple, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye. Make videos. Why am I talking like this? Brand new, brand new, brand new. And don't forget count. What are we doing? Whoop-a-doop-doo-boo.